Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. In this video, I'm going to be doing a paper piecing from a Magical Christmas page kit number 111. And this is going to be the mouse ears with the Santa hat and the holly. So let's go ahead and get started. I like to use the Designer Dries Clear liquid adhesive. It's made by Art Glitter, and I use the metal tip. Okay, so we're just going to start with a large piece. Going to go right on top like this. I like to place it first just to see where I'm going to adhere it before I start. I like to go around the edges. I try to keep about 1/8 of an inch around the edge just to keep it from getting excess glue out when I place it down. This is a quick drying glue, so you don't want it to dry before I get it down, so I'm working quickly. Oh, see, that's not centered on the white. Oh, and it dries really fast, so which is good and bad if you don't put it in the right spot, but good if you do. Okay, I've got that down now, and you see how I have a nice border around the white. And then I'm going to go ahead with the red piece. And now you want to line this up right above the ball of the hat, giving it an even border on both sides, and then matching that border here at the top. Okay, again, I'm going to start at the top of that ball and taking it around and just making sure that thin black border is even all around here, here, and up here. Pressing it down. Some of the pieces do have a texture to them, so that lets you know which way is going to be facing up. Now I'm going to glue these pieces together. So we have the holly leaves that are going to go together, and then the holly berries. Now there is a right direction for these, so you just want to make sure that it lines up before sticking it down. Okay, there's the berries, and then now the leaves. Okay, so the next piece, I'm going to put down the white. Now I forgot to do that one, so I meant to do that after the red, but it doesn't matter. Do it right now. Okay, now you see there's a little bit of black sticking up there, so I'm going to line that up. Same thing on the left side there. And I just kind of want to slide it until it looks even on the top and the sides. And press it down. Okay. Now we want to put the white ball in here. Okay, so then the next piece is going to be the holly leaves. Now you can either use the 3D foam squares to pop it up, or just go ahead and glue it on flat. And you want to line this up with the white one here, the white border. And it's got a little bit of the white border outline here and here that you're lining it up with. And then the holly berries, they just go right in the middle here. And again, you can put little foam pop-ups if you like. I'm just going to go ahead and glue it on flat, and then I'll pop the whole thing up on my page. Let's see. Okay, and that's it. So, fairly simple. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you'd like to pick up the kit that comes with this image, it's a whole page kit. You'll find it on my Etsy shop. There's a link below this video. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos, please click the subscribe button. Click that bell for notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.